Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all in Science Online class. I'm from Darul School, Banigala campus. This is your science class, lecture number 4. And today the topic of our lecture is uses of plants. Students, first of all, I want to tell you about the difference between herbs, shrubs and trees. So, open your book, page number 29. Okay, student, can you see this part? The main difference between herbs, shrubs and trees is the herb have soft, non-lignified, unbranched stem, while shrubs have immediately branch multi-stem and trees have woody stems. Okay, मीन्स के हर्ब्स वो होती हैं जिनके सॉफ्ट होती हैं, उनकी ब्रांचेस और स्टेम नहीं होते, जबकि श्रब्स वो पौधे होते हैं जिनकी छोटी छोटी ब्रांचेस और उनका स्टेम होता है। और ट्रीज़ वो होते हैं बड़े वाले पौधे जिन बहुत बड़े होते हैं और उनके ट्रंक होते हैं, स्टेम उनके बहुत वुडी होते हैं, उनको हम ट्रंक बोलते हैं, उनकी ब्रांचेस भी बड़ी होती हैं। ठीक है, सो दे आपको समझ आ गई कि कौन सी हर्ब्स हैं, श्रब्स हैं और कौन क्या ट्री हैं। अब मैं आपको पिक्चर्स दिखाती हूँ जिसके ज़रिए से आपको पता चल जाएगा कि विच प्लांट्स आर श्रब्स एंड विच आर हर्ब्स एंड विच आर ट्रीज़। Look at this picture. Herbs are small plants with soft green and tender stems and small root like rice, grass and coriander. These are the herbs. Soft mint जो है वो भी एक क्या है, वो herb की एक type है. Okay. Here is the shrubs like rose plant and tulsi plant. These are shrubs. They have small stems and branches. So student, here is the big plant like peepal, banyan, coconut, banana, apple. These are called the trees. They have the woody stem and very big branches. Okay. So now you know the difference between herbs, shrubs and trees. Okay. Now we are going to solve our book page number 29. Okay student, now choose the correct answer. Which of the following is used to make cooking oil? Neem, carrot, aloe vera and sunflower. We have studied in the reading of this chapter that sunflower is used to make cooking oil. Which of these is not a root vegetable? Beetroot, sweet potato, carrot. These three are the root vegetables, but cucumber is not the root vegetable, so circle the cucumber. Pick the best answer to complete the sentences. Compost is used as a fertilizer of growing plant it is made of. So we also this studies in our reading that compost is a fertilizer that made the dead plants material. Okay, as you see in the page number 28 at the last of the reading that compost is made from dead plant material. It is used as a fertilizer or growing plant. So its answer is dead plants and materials. Okay. Next question is which of following does not come from a plant? Rice, tea, eggs, cotton bag. This is very easy. Obviously egg come from animals, so circle the eggs. The eggs does not come from a plant. We should eat fruits and vegetables because they are. Why we should eat vegetables and fruit? Because bright and colorful, inexpensive, full of vitamins and minerals, or sweet. So the answer is full of vitamins and minerals. Question number 2, which part of the plant do we eat? कि हम इन पौधों का कौन सा हिस्सा खाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल टोमेटो प्लांट से हमें क्या मिलता है? टोमेटो मिलते हैं. तो वट आर द टोमेटो? टोमेटो आर द फ्रूट ऑफ द प्लांट. Cabbage like a flower, so it's a flower. Pea are the small beans or seeds, so we eat the seed of the pea plants. Turnip grows underground, so it's a beetroot, so we eat the root of this turnip plant. Lettuce are the leaves, type of a leaf vegetable, so we eat the leaf of this plant. Carrot also grows underground, so we eat the root of this carrot plant. Okay, so you write here fruit, flower, seed, root, leaf and root. So student, the next question that you have done in your workbook also, find out the odd one out in each list. Tell your teacher why it is odd one. So I'm going to tell you why this is the odd one. Carrot, beetroot, banana, turnip or parsnip. Which one is the odd one? Banana is the odd one. Walnut, groundnut, lime, pecan and chestnut. Which is the odd one? Lime. So why the banana and why the lime is odd one? Because banana is not the beetroot. Carrot, beetroot, turnip, parsnip, these are the beetroots, but banana is a fruit. Walnut, groundnut, pecan and chestnut, these are the types of nuts, but lime is not a type of a nut. So now students, turn on the next page. In next page, lemon, orange, mango, apple and peanut. Lemon, orange, mango and apple are the fruits, but peanut is not a fruit, type of fruit, it's a dry fruit, or it's a type of grain or seeds. ठीक है. Tea, rubber, coffee and cocoa, lime. Which is the odd one? Lime is the odd one, because lime is a fruit that grows on a plant, but cocoa, coffee, rubber and tea are the materials, are the things that made of from the plants. Okay, put the things below in the correct column. There are the things, different things, and here are the two columns made for you. One is made from plant and the other is not made from plant. So you have to choose from these things. The things which are made from the plants, write in this column, and the things that are not made from the plant, write in this column. For example, one has been done for you, the remaining you have to do by yourself. For example, cup is made from the plant? No. So I write here. Tomato sauce made from the plant? Yes, it's made from the plant, so I'll write it here. So remaining things you have to write by yourself. Okay, the last question is, can you join these names to the correct vegetable basket? Here are the different 6 basket: root vegetable basket, grains basket, stems basket, leaf vegetable baskets, seeds and fruits. And here are the fruits or grains or leaf vegetables. You have to pick from these vegetables, fruits and put in the राइट बास्केट और मैच विद द राइट बास्केट. एक एक एग्जांपल मैंने आप लोगों के लिए सॉल्व की है, जो बाकी है वो आपने ख़ुद करना होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई स्पिनच, आई मैच इट विद द लीफ वेजिटेबल बिकॉज इट्स अ लीफ वेजिटेबल. Rice are the grains, so I put it in the grains basket. Tomato is a fruit, so I match it with the fruit basket. Chicken peas are the seeds, so I match it with the seeds basket. Spring onion is the stem, so I match it with the stem basket. Beetroot is the root vegetable, so I match it with the root vegetable. So इसी तरह से आपने बाकी सबको भी मैच करना है विद द राइट बास्केट. ओके, डू दीज 3 pages 29, 30 and 31 and send me the pictures. अल्लाह हाफिज़.